In this quick guide, you'll learn how to enable Ask Every Time for location access on Telegram, so you stay in full control of when the app can use your location. If you care about privacy or just want more control over your device, this setting is definitely worth adjusting. Let's walk through it step by step. Start by opening your phone's Settings. This is where all your system preferences live, including app permissions. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Depending on your device, it might also be called Apps and Notifications or something similar. Next, find Telegram in the list of installed apps and tap on it. This will open Telegram's app info page where you can manage everything related to the app. Now tap on Permissions. Here you'll see all the permissions Telegram currently has access to, like camera, microphone, and location. Look for Location and tap on it. This is where you can control exactly how Telegram accesses your location. You'll now see different options. Select Ask Every Time. This setting means Telegram will request your permission each time it wants to use your location, instead of accessing it automatically. This is a great option if you only occasionally share your location and want to stay in control without completely disabling the feature. And that's it. From now on, Telegram will always ask before accessing your location, giving you better privacy and flexibility. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick guides like this to get the most out of your apps and keep your settings exactly how you want them.